Hello! Today I will show you how to prepare money drawing spell. Sometimes life is so difficult that we cannot go to supermarket and spend last dollar to buy stuff for magic spell. So I prepared for you a spell where you can use everything what you can find in your kitchen. Don't forget, God created life and this is magic. Everything what He created is holy, is divine, and we can use for our purposes to change our life. Today we will need small bread roll, milk, cinnamon, and a little bit honey. What we're doing first, we're taking the bread and with knife we're cutting and holding the bread from all the sides and making hole. Now, don't use bagel because symbolically bread is sure become from family of grains, and grains in our magical philosophy is prosperity and abundance. But bagel have hole on the bottom, so what will happen, our money, our abundance and our prosperity will just go down and will drain through the hole out of our life. So we're definitely keeping the bottom. And now we're putting this bread in a white plate. Second ingredients, it's milk. Milk, it's white and it's making us feel of nourishment, mother, protection. And this is what we need because we feel what something not enough in our life. It's protection of money. Second ingredients, it's honey. Honey and milk together in Old Testament we find what mean again abundance. So we're taking a little bit honey. But don't forget, before you adding honey inside the bread, you have to test the honey from your finger because honey belong to goddess Ashun. And the stories of Yoruba Santeria telling us what somebody tried to poison the goddess. And this is why we have to show was the honey is definitely good. Now when I test it, we can to add the honey to our bread. You can use few teaspoons, it's enough. The last ingredient what we'll use, this is cinnamon. About cinnamon was finding in the writings in Chinese scripts what dated 2700 BC. Cinnamon was used in a temple of ancient Jew people for casting, cleansing, protection and holy ceremonies in the temple. This cinnamon also belong to Ashun. So we'll take a little bit and we'll sprinkle on the bread all around and a little bit inside. Ashun is goddess from Santeria, but she has properties in magical symbology like your guardian angels. And this is why we'll ask your guardian angel what we'll call Ashun to help us to bring money. The yellow color is her color. This is why when you're making the spell, I suggest you to use gold necklaces or yellow cloth, gold ring. If you don't have gold, you can use any metal but in color of gold. Ashun like everything what is shiny, mirrors, stones in yellow color, beads, very fancy and big ones. So you can use this to put on the table or around the plate, but it's not necessary. When we are charging our candle, we don't use today oil. We just closing the candle between our palms and starting to chant. I'm using very simple but very powerful chant like this. Money, money, be mine these days. Money, money, be mine these days. Come from all directions to me, constantly fly to me. And I'm repeating this for 3-5 minutes. Think about how money you really need now. Don't ask for big amounts. Don't ask for lottery winning. This spell is not for lottery. This spell to bring you day by day coming money, not in a very big amounts. But constant flying money in your pocket always is your life. When you feel what you charge the candle, you have to put this candle in the middle of the roll. And now we can lit the candle. Like always, I will use bamboo stick and will lit my candle for Oshun. Give the candle to go down. Before you leaving the table, meditate for 5-7 minutes. See yourself very happy, very successful, and very strong belief in your future. I suggest to start the spell when moon will stay in Capricorn. Capricorn is sign of Earth. It's cardinal. It's sign of practicality. It's very energetic sign. So when we're asking for money, we know what is the biggest and strongest energies will help us to achieve our goal. You will repeat the spell 5 days in a row. And after the 5th day, you will take all ingredients what will be inside the plate. It's the one roll. Every day we're adding honey, milk, and a little bit cinnamon, except candles, what you will take out. Add warm water, crumble everything, and take a bath with this substantial. And good luck to you, and make a lot of money, be rich and happy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.